G'day riders, got a package in the mail a while ago. This one here, forgive the truck, I've been doing some fencing. It's the new Freedom Shield screen I ordered a while ago. Really looking forward to installing this thing, so let's get the box open. So as you've probably seen on other unboxings, lots and lots of noodle packaging to keep it safe, and can't wait to put this on the bike and see what it looks like. Try and get this out of here without spreading stuff all over the yard. We've got a very windy day here today, so the last thing I need to do is make a big mess. Well, this is a 7-inch shield, 7-inch clear. It looks a lot smaller than what I expected, but I measured it. I used their website details on how to measure it up. So gonna leave this protective coating on, give it a go, and see how it goes. I already checked earlier today. T27 torque tool is what's needed to take the old lugs out. And rather carefully I'll crack all 3 lugs. Alright, so these need to come all the way out. Bit easy with an assistant now instead of trying to do it one-handed and scratching the bike. There's 3 of these, the longest of which goes in the middle. Screen should come out. It's the old one. Alright, the new 7-inch shield should slide in, get the holes lined up. Had to punch some holes in the covering plastic just so I could get those lugs through. It's fitted nicely. Put the center one in first. Two sides. And I've got the touring shield, comes all the way past. The other shield stopped here. This will give me some more wind protection, hopefully keep the buffeting down that I'm trying to avoid. Be careful with that plastic in there that we don't cross thread these. Changing it over is very quick. Very simple process. Of course, once I take this for a ride and find out whether it works or not, we then have to take it off and take all the plastic off it. What a complete success that is. Just quick run out to the dam, no buffeting whatsoever, really works well. Didn't even have my sunnies on, and you know, I got no wind in the eyes, no buffer on top of the helmet, even with the helmet in the up position, that modular helmet which often catches wind, no wind whatsoever. So amazing success, really happy. 60k, 80k. Hopefully the camera will pick up my voice quite well because of the better shield. Certainly the stereo works a lot better. I can hear it clearly. riders, the old screen off, the new screen on, with all of its packaging material removed. Looks pretty good. Well riders, that was the install of the 7-inch clear Freedom Shield windscreen. Went really well, really happy, no buffeting on top of the helmet. Even that modular helmet I have, when it's open, it sits up quite proud. Even that wasn't catching the wind. Tried the stereo system, which can't let you guys listen to because obviously YouTube, I'll be breaking copyright. But really works well. Hopefully get the mount set up on the handlebars this afternoon, so tomorrow's ride out to Moranbah, I'll get to be able to take some video and see what it's like videoing through the screen. But really happy with the screen. I was very tempted to go to the 8-inch, even though I followed the measurement process. It said 7-inch was the right size. I was so close to ordering the 8-inch, knowing that if I had to send it back, I could. Really happy I followed their guidelines. Really happy I got the 7-inch screen. It's the best screen for me, for my height, close to 6'2", and just the way I sit on the bike. Can see clearly over the top of the screen. I'm not looking through it. Very happy. Even close to the front wheel, where I am looking through the screen with all of that protective film on it. Once that's removed, looking through the screen's fine as well. On that, the hardest part of the install was probably taking that protective film off. It's really stuck on there well. And just a tip, I think Rob from Throttle Down Under said the same thing. I peeled off the plastic just up to where the screen was going to fit into the body of the bike, or into the fairing, to make sure I still had some protection above where I was working. So just peel it up till the point it drops in, and then do all of those 3 little screws up, and then take the rest of the protective film off would be my tip. Love the screen, really happy with it. It's great to be able to buy a product for your bike which does exactly what it says it's going to do. Very happy. They had great customer service. It was very quick shipping to Australia. It was only a few weeks. Very quick, responsive. I had some questions, they contacted me, come back to me. So really happy with the Freedom Shields. Guys, I'll put the link to their website below. Couldn't recommend them more. Just finally, of course, I haven't received a reduced price for the screen. I paid full price like I do everything. The endorsement comes from true customer satisfaction of a true customer. Love their product. It's really great. You know, I might later on be tempted. I bought the clear screen because of the of running the video and wanting to shoot through the screen possibly. If I don't do that a lot, very happily look at probably getting one of the smoke screens. I think the clear screen possibly makes the bike not look quite as angry and as aggressive as it used to. But I don't think it takes anything away from the bike either. I'm very happy. Bye riders, take care, keep it shiny side up. See you on the road soon.